Over the last year, I'd been getting super frustrated with my body's resistance to all my attempts at losing weight. After all, the process isn't easy once you started climbing up the age ladder. My body wasn't as receptive to diet plans, and trying to fit in exercise in my daily schedule wasn't easy at all. Once your metabolism slows down, which is inevitable with age, it's challenging to shed those extra pounds. My mental health was getting affected because I saw no hope for my situation and I was almost about to give up. However, I found Meticore at just the right time and I couldn't be more grateful. On a side note, I've put the link of the website where I bought mine from on discount. For those who don't know, Meticore is a highly effective dietary supplement. It uses some of the best natural ingredients to improve metabolic rate, which eventually helps maintain a healthy weight. I've been using this product for a week now, and let me tell you, it is an absolute lifesaver. At first, I was hesitant to purchase these supplements. My trust issues wouldn't let me buy a new product. So I decided to carry out my fair share of research before going ahead with the decision. According to the official website, this dietary blend is different from the other synthetic fat burners that push the body into a forced weight loss. I wanted to lose weight, but not at the cost of adverse long-term side effects. Of course, no one wants to, right? So with pills like these, it's always a risk because such products are discouraged by health professionals and they may be dangerous, leading to other complications. I discovered that the only healthy way to lose weight is by using a product that is in harmony with the body's natural physiology, and I found out what I was looking for with the Meticore metabolism boosting supplement. So the past year has not been easy for anyone. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we've been witnessed a more significant threat to public health than ever before. Among some of the high-risk target groups of the coronavirus infection are obese and diabetic people. I was shocked when I found that out, and it made me more determined to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Trust me, the global lockdown made other weight loss activities like gyms and diet meal delivery inaccessible. So using a dietary supplement seemed like the most convenient way to aid a healthy weight loss. However, the tricky part was finding the right supplementary pills because the wide range of bizarre available options just confused me. So I decided to go for Meticore because these pills included a smartly designed weight loss promoting formula using entirely natural ingredients. Think it's a massive benefit that Meticore contains natural ingredients because it means most users would be able to use them without any worry. So unless you have a specific allergy, it's safe to assume that none of the ingredients would cause you any damage. I can vouch for Meticore because I understand how it works. Meticore kickstarts the body's metabolism without harming other functions. It affects all the body activities until the cellular level. Starting from the breakdown of food to nutrient absorption and energy production. It's useful because it fixes all the underlying issues that slow down the body's metabolism in the first place. So with my metabolism working at its optimum, I was delighted to discover that all the piled up fat on my body wasn't as stubborn as I thought it was. You can also see my before and after pictures on the screen now for reference and how it worked on me. Moreover, Metico works on energy levels, rising them to a maximum. So, using these supplementary pills has dramatically increased my productivity at work and at home. It's been a week since I have been using these pills and I have stopped feeling dull and lazy. I've started looking forward to my daily task because how energetic I feel. So there is an improvement in my mood and general outlook. I would highly recommend it for those who think they are uninspired and need that extra push in the morning. So Meticor capsules work on basal body temperature, resulting in rapid fat melting and faster, more visible weight loss. That is why my friends and family have been complimenting me already, even though it hasn't been that long since I started using them. If you're also in search of rapid results and you're getting impatient, these pills are the way to go. I've tried to stick to a healthy, low-calorie diet alongside necessary lifestyle improvements to complement these capsules' effects and maximize the outcome. It's easier because of the motivation that comes with the energy. So I am much more likely to follow my exercise routine. It doesn't feel like a waste of effort like it did earlier. Despite the money I spent on buying a product, there's always a possibility that I am getting scammed. The risk is worse with weight loss products because companies know how desperate people get when it comes to issues like obesity. I discovered that the company behind Meticor has taken extraordinary measures and ensured that we are well aware of its key features to make an informed decision based on facts. So Meticor targets the primary issues that cause the metabolism to slow down instead of artificial weight loss methods. Natural plant-based ingredients of the purest quality construct everything inside these capsules. Some of these ingredients include vitamin B12, chromium, Meticor property blend, African mango extract, bitter orange ginger, moringa leaves, fucosactin from brown seaweed extract and turmeric. All these elements are unlikely to cause undesirable side effects. But if you're unsure about any of them, you can ask your doctor before making the purchase. For a week, I've been following other tips to get maximum benefits. I've been hydrating my body and keeping a water bottle with me all day alongside fixing my sleeping hours and trying to get into bed at the same time every day. Moreover, I've stopped taking alcohol and avoided smoking. I also prefer eating fresh and healthy food instead of pre-cooked meals. So everything has contributed to the results I've obtained so far, and for this reason I can confidently say that Meticor is a product worth investing your money in. I've never believed in dietary supplements before because there was no way to check and verify their formulas. Sometimes the companies hide the details, which I find it to be a huge red flag. Other times they add hidden artificial ingredients. For this reason, Meticor weight loss pills stood out to me because they have a herbal formula safe for any user. I've tried multiple ways to lose weight before, so I know it's not easy. Meal planning, grocery shopping, cooking, and keeping track of set of amount of calories can be a real hurdle. Also, none of it is useful without specific exercises for at least 3 to 6 months. It's even harder to maintain this because I have a busy work schedule. Therefore, the simplicity of using a supplementary pill to trigger my metabolism seemed like the best idea. I don't have to spend my time and energy on planning and observing every single detail. Instead, minor lifestyle changes like the ones I mentioned earlier are enough to get the results and to start showing. Meticure is also free from issues like addiction and tolerance. Some companies try to get their users hooked by adding habit forming ingredients inside, which can be unhealthy. Luckily, though, Meticure is not one of them, and you won't develop an addiction even if you use it for months. With so many advantages and no glaring drawbacks, I can positively swear by Meticure dietary supplements. It helped me when I needed the most, and I'm confident you wouldn't regret or be disappointed buying it either. On an end note, if you want to get Meticure for yourself, you can check the link in description. That's where I got mine from and on a brilliant discount. Hope I was able to help you with my review. If I did, do give this video a like and share your reviews in comments if you have already used Meticure. Thank you.